Hi, today I'm running Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2022 and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first open the settings and then tap to the sound section, then click to volume, and to change ringtone to mute ringtone volume we should slide to the left side ringtone volume panel. Also we could just click to the down volume button. So one more time, sound ringtone to mute it with the help of your finger just by slide the ringtone volume panel, or also with the help of the down volume button just by slide to the down ringtone volume panel. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.